They say the sky is the limit, but what if it's not? My name is Jaden Jennings. I work at NASA's Johnson Space Center as a public affairs specialist. As a public affairs specialist, a lot of the time we deal with incoming media requests. In my particular beat, I'm in Flight Operations Directorate, and my assignments are mission control, so working and coordinating with flight directors and flight controllers, and also the astronaut corps for their media interviews, media training, and then there's also a whole lot that goes on behind the scenes. I never thought that a small town girl from southeast Oklahoma would be at NASA's Johnson Space Center, working with astronauts, working with flight directors, and working with, honestly, the smartest people in our nation. Whenever I stepped onto OBU's campus, I didn't know what my classes were gonna be like. I didn't know who I was gonna marry. I had no experience being away from home for more than a week at a time. OBU had a support system like no other to help you get through those challenges. The professors at OBU did a really nice job of making everyone feel welcome, and I think that is what makes OBU stand out and what has helped in my career, and why I try to approach people the way I do is because they had their doors open for me, and I want to have my door open for other people. As many people might know or not know, 2020 was my graduation year, and I went through an entire pandemic with the rest of the world. I think that was kind of an image setter for what I was about to embark on for the coming days. If it wasn't for OBU and then also going to graduate school, I don't think I would have been on the right trajectory to know that I wanted to land up at NASA in the end. The communications classes that OBU provides, just the environment OBU provides, it's ingrained in me. It made me grow closer to God, and ultimately has just shaped how I communicate with other people. When I think about OBU shaping my future, I think the education that you receive at OBU, I think the leadership you receive at OBU is something no one else in the world can experience. I felt like I was able to go into the world with a different type of armor that is not of this world. And I think being in a tough environment, the environment I'm in, failure is not an option. Being able to have the armor of God on you is crucial for not only for survival, but also for how you treat people, how you engage with people, how you love people. And that's something that has been my goal this whole time at NASA, is not only to do the work, but also to treat other people as how Christ would treat them. They say the sky is the limit, but for me, it's not.